Okay, so one of my best and favorite shakes is Essential Meal Replacement because of 24 grams of vegan protein and oil in it. Second thing that I add to my shakes is a GutHealth Prebiotic Fiber. I love it. It's so healthy to have enough fiber in your diet. And the third thing that I add to my shake is a BeWell Superfood Greens, 36 veggies and fruits in 1 spoon. It's delicious. Also, I build up my immune system with my shakes. So I add a mushroom powder that is 5 different mushrooms, strong immunity boost. I love to add some flavor and color, so I add berries. Berries are my favorite fruits. Mix it all, mix it well, and just enjoy it the way you want it. When it's really well mixed, especially because of the berries, you can enjoy it on the outside like I do. I love to have my shake outside.